This segment is going to take us from your retinoscopy through your red-green / MSBVA, or this first spherical refinement for the patient. Phoebe, I'd like for you to look at the red side of the eye chart over there. Great. And at the green. And back at the red. Okay, great. Now, here I would normally take her visual acuities to verify that she's at least 20/30 or better. We have verified that indeed she does have good visual acuity at this point in time. Our next stop after the visual acuity measure is going to be to do a 20/40 blur. And on this, we're going to put the 20/40 line of letters up. Verify we do have one eye closed, one eye is open. And as you're looking over there, Phoebe, I want you to tell me, can you make out those letters?
Yes.
Excellent. Please tell me the very first time that the letters become so blurry you couldn't read them at all.
Right here.
Okay. Give them a second. And can you make any out there at all, Phoebe?
No.
Okay, we're going to go pass by 2. Tell me the very first time you could read 1 or 2.
Right here.
Great. And which letters could you make out?
B and D.
Excellent. We're going to go to the other eye. Same thing as before, Phoebe. Please tell me when those letters are so blurry you can't make any out at all.
Mm-hmm. Right here.
Good. I'm going to go 2 past. Can you make any out there?
No.
1, 2. Tell me when you can make out 1 or 2.
Right here.
Great. And right there, which ones could you get for me?
Z.
Fantastic. Here we verified that she's 20/40 blurred, so our next step is we're going to go ahead and put up the red-green 20/80 chart, and we're going to proceed into our Bichrome. Now, just to reiterate, the Bichrome or the MSBVA, you don't do both of them back to back. So you'll go through 20/40 blur, and the way you'll learn in our class is we'll teach you to do the Bichrome on our first spherical refinement. So as you look over there, Phoebe, I want you to tell me, do you see a red-green eye chart?
Yes.
Okay. Which side appears slightly more distinct and clear for you, the red or the green?
The red.
Good. We're going to reduce plus. How about now?
Red.
And now?
Red.
And here?
Red.
Perfect.
Red. Red. Equal. Green.
Great. And we're going to switch eyes. And see red and green again?
Yes.
Okay. Which one is darker and more distinct?
The red.
And now?
Red.
And now?
Red. 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 Green.
Okay. And perfect. So I'm going to let you go ahead and sit back and relax, Phoebe. And we'll turn the lights back on. Once we've gotten through our red-green, you would check the visual acuity through that. On this one, you'll notice that Phoebe went from 1 equal. We had an equal. We went red, 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 equal, green. The equal is what you would record. It's what you would take the visual acuities through. But then you would record what's in the phoropter. So she said equal at plus 50, so that's what you would take the visual acuities through. That's what you would record, but we leave in the slightly more minus lens to begin with, just because of the chromatic aberration and the difference between the two. On Phoebe's left eye, when we did that one, there was no equal. It went straight from the red to the green. In that particular case, you leave the green in place, you record the visual acuities through the green. Everything is done through that green lens. Okay, so red to green, everything is super easy. It's just record the green, take visual acuities through the green is the lens. So at this point in time, Phoebe has been she completed this subjective spherical subjective first time through. The other method is going to be our MSBVA. I'll show you how to do that again right here now. So I'm going to reset her to our 20/40 blur, which was +2 both eyes, and put up the 20/20 line of letters. I've occluded one, opened one. And Phoebe, as you're looking over there, please tell me the very first time you could read 1 or 2 letters on that eye chart.
Right here.
Okay. And are they better with 1 or 2?
1,
And 2 or 3?
2,
And 3 or 4?
3.
Okay, great. And at this point, you'd have her check visual acuities with that. Same thing over here. First time you could read a couple of those letters.
Right here.
And is it better with 1 or 2?
2,
Okay, and 1 here, or 2?
1,
2 or 3?
2,
And 3 or 4?
3.
Excellent. And again, you would check visual acuities through this particular lens, and that would be your preset as you move into your JCC, which we're going to learn next. Okay, thank you.